Hello dear students, good morning. Welcome back in a class of engineering chemistry. I am Asha Pawar working as assistant professor at SNJB's Ledsau KBJ College of Engineering, Sandwad, Nasik. Student, in last session we learned ill effect, that is priming and foaming, its causes and its prevention. Then in today's session we learn another ill effect, that is sludge and scale, its causes, disadvantages and prevention. So first of all, what is a sludge? In boiler water, if in boiler water evaporate continuously and the concentration of salt left behind, that slimy and loose deposit of precipitated salt in boiler tube depositing at the vents and wall and affecting the free flow of water is known as sludge. Means very simple student, see this diagram, that is during the steam generation water continuously evaporate, and during the evaporation some water hardness causing salt present in water that precipitated into loose and slimy mass, and that loose and slimy mass continuously deposited inside the boiler, and due to that it affect the free flow rate of water. This loose and slimy mass that affect the free flow rate of water and basically deposit at vents and wall is nothing but the sludge, that is slurry. Then what are the disadvantages of sludge formation? Due to the sludge formation, waste the some portion of heat, that is heat provided for steam generation to the boiler. In between the water and boiler metal there is a layer of sludge, then due to that proper heat not transfer from boiler metal to water, then due to the sludge formation waste some portion of heat. It disturb working of boiler and sometime may choke up the pipes. Due to the very high deposition of sludge inside the boiler tube, it always and always disturb the working of boiler, and due to the higher deposition of sludge it may choke up pipes. It reduces the flow rate of water in boiler. Obviously if larger amount of sludge deposited inside the boiler, the free flow rate of water reduces. And finally, how to prevent, that is preventive measure. Use of water containing very low quantity of total dissolved solid, that is instead of hard water we use well softened water for the steam generation. Frequently making blow down operation, that is salt rich water replaced by fresh water. Then next, scale formation. Scale is nothing but the hard and strong coating formed inside boiler tube by chemical reaction, which is a bad conductor of heat, is known as a scale. That is, as compared to the sludge, scale is a hard and strong, and it is always and always produced due to the chemical reaction, and which is a bad conductor of heat, and due to that scale formation always and always disturb the working of boiler, wastage of fuel. We see the disadvantages after the causes. Then the first cause of scale formation, that is decomposition of bicarbonate. If boiler feed water containing various bicarbonate like calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, during the boiling of water that bicarbonate get decomposed and converted into the hard and strong material like calcium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide, etc. Some magnesium salt like magnesium chloride is present in water that get hydrolyzed and formation of magnesium hydroxide. That magnesium hydroxide is nothing but the hard and strong coating deposited inside the boiler in the form of scale. Due to the presence of silica, also formation of scale, that is hard and strong coating inside the boiler due to the silica. And the last reason or cause of the scale formation, decreased solubility of calcium sulfate at a higher temperature. Calcium sulfate solubility get decreases and it deposited inside the boiler in the form of scale. That is, scale is hard and strong coating of calcium sulfate, silica, magnesium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, etc. And due to the scale formation during the steam generation, these are the disadvantages occur. That is, the first, wastage of fuel. Scale are bad conductor of heat and result in the reduction of heat transfer to the boiler. That is, due to the scale formation, which is a bad conductor of heat, that is transfer of heat from boiler metal to water, that rate decreases. For required steam pressure, always and always we overheat the boiler, and due to that overheating, always and always wastage of fuel and overheating of boiler takes place. Then boiler safety. If we overheat the boiler, then maybe the chances of explosion finally. That is, due to the scale formation, wastage of fuel, overheating of boiler, then question arises due to about boiler safety and danger of explosion. Then disadvantages, removal of and prevention of scale. Then, to completely prevent the scale formation in boiler by using well softened water, we use sodium phosphate to the water, that is phosphate conditioning for the water softening. Frequently use blow down operation to remove the sludge and precipitate rich water from boiler. Adding sodium aluminate, which can trap the scale forming particles. Adding organic chemical like tannin, which form coating on the scale forming particles. This matter become easily removed by blow down operation. And finally, we remove scale from the boiler water by using the chemicals like sodium phosphate, use scraper or wire brush, use of hammer and chisel for thick scale, and thermal shock technique can be used for the removal of scale. So, scale and sludge is a very important effect. It asks for the 5 marks in exam. Thank you.